Hi, you guys. Okay, check this out. First of all, it's just awesome. It's got like this little floor pattern and it's got this net. So if I want to be able to see, clearly or have my face showing, I will keep it up. But then if I want to kind of like hide or be like, hi, then I could put the net down. Isn't it the best? I love it. Okay. I'll keep it up so that I can see my math because this, I just can't even see anything at all, right? Just kidding. Okay. So I have so many more hats. You guys just wait. It's so fun. Okay. Let's get started. I have my screen that I'll share. And I'll make myself a little bit bigger. You're going to need lined paper. You're also going to need your patience. We're going to do one problem. The whole video is one problem. So I'm going to go slow. I'm going to explain it so that you are comfortable with it. You feel good about it. Let's see. Let's first get myself situated. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So much better. What is the equation of a parabola that passes through the points 2, negative 12, negative 1, negative 15, and negative 4, negative 90? You'd think, oh, I'll just graph them. I'll find the vertex. I'll know. You can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little how-to. Okay? My how-to is going to be, so first thing we're going to do is you're going to plug in X and Y into Y equals AX plus B plus C. Okay? So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And then, so let's like do one sample, okay? 2, negative 12. You guys are going to find that this is easier than it would be because during COVID, us math teachers decided, remember, I wasn't going to teach you how to solve an equation with 3 variables. I just showed you. It was like a week and a half ago. Same thing's going to happen today. I'm going to show you how to do it, but I'm not going to make you actually go through and do all the math. There is a couple in class tomorrow that I am going to do with you, but I'm doing it with you. So that makes a big difference, right? Here we go. Y equals AX plus B plus, I'm sorry, so here we go. AX squared, first, I'm sorry. Let's just start, okay, before I'm trying to get ahead of myself and it's not working. So here's what I got. Negative 12 equals AX squared plus BX plus C. So AX squared plus BX plus C. That's for that one. Then negative 1, negative 15. Negative 15 equals A negative 1 squared plus B negative 1 plus C. Then I'm going to do negative 490, negative 90. Negative 90 equals A negative 4 squared plus B negative 4 plus C. So what I just went and I did is I plugged in, instead of X and instead of Y, I plugged in numbers. I kept the A, B, and C. So you're going to plug X and Y into Y equals AX squared plus BX plus C. And then keep your A, your B, and your C. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to do all three right now, and I'm going to show you what they end up looking like in standard form, okay? This is -12 equals 4A plus 2B plus C, right? Let's be super clear about this. All I did is I plugged in X and Y into my standard form, AX squared plus BX plus C. -15 equals A minus B plus C, okay? Then -90 equals 16A minus 4B plus C. All right, so now what I have is I have three equations and they have A, B, and C. Then what I do is I solve the system using the elimination method. I could also do substitution if I wanted to. Elimination method. And this is like we did a couple weeks ago where we're solving for three variables, okay? So this takes a while to go through, but what we would end up doing is solving and getting, and I'm just gonna jump to the end right now because I want you to just see it. And you probably wrote this online paper, maybe you wrote it in your workbook, I'm not quite sure. But what we have to do is like elimination methods, solve for A and B, and then cancel out an A or cancel out a B. So it takes a couple more steps, but that's what we're gonna do in class tomorrow. And my A is gonna end up being -4, my B is gonna end up being 5, and my C is going to be -6. Okay, but I'm going to go through a couple of problems like this tomorrow in class so that you at least have an idea. So the only thing that we're doing right now is just talking about it, and I'm actually going to go through and solve it. Because honestly, if I sat here for 20 minutes and went through this whole solution on how to find A, B, and C, I guarantee I would lose you. And I'd much rather have you in class where I can stop, answer questions, and talk about it than me just like, okay, then I add equation A plus B, and I multiply equation C times 2, and okay, I'm not gonna do that. You're sitting at home, it's late, so we're just talk about how to, and tomorrow we're gonna put it into practice, okay? I will say goodbye with my net down, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you in class tomorrow. Bye, guys.